Imagine being the logistics manager in Nestlé who has to explain to the board how 400,000 Kit Kat bars, 12 entire tons of chocolate just evaporated. No broken glass, no high-speed chases, just a truck that went into the Italian Alps and never came out the other side. Here's the thing most people don't get about global shipping. It's held together by digital duct tape and pinky promises. And last week, someone found a loose thread. By the end of this, I'm going to show you exactly how a ghost driver walked away with $500,000 in snacks and why your next Amazon package is currently at the mercy of the same massive security hole. Let's talk about the great Kit Kat heist of 2026. The setup was beautiful in its simplicity. A truck was scheduled to haul 12 tons of Kit Kats from a factory in San Sisto, Italy, to a distribution center in Poland. Standard stuff. But the driver who showed up, he wasn't the guy on the paperwork. He was using a ghost profile on a digital freight exchange, the Tinder of the trucking world. He loaded the chocolate, he signed the BOL, he drove off. And then, silence. When the actual logistics company called the subcontractor, they realized they'd been double brokered. That's industry speak for, we gave your cargo to a guy who gave it to another guy who gave it to a guy we've never met who lives in a van in Bulgaria. As logistics expert Frank Coles once put it, the industry is essentially operating in the dark ages with a digital coat of paint. This wasn't a heist, it was a data entry error that cost $500,000. Now, you might be thinking, who cares, it's just chocolate. Wrong. We are exactly 1 week away from Easter Sunday. In the retail world, that is the Super Bowl of sugar. Nestlé didn't just lose 12 tons of product, they lost the golden window. Those bars were meant for shelves in Warsaw and Krakow, where parents are currently looking at empty spots. Think about the driver who actually did steal it. He's not a mastermind, he's a guy in a warehouse right now, sweating, trying to move hot chocolate before it melts or the batch codes get flagged. It's a desperate, high-stakes game. The supply chain isn't a series of metal boxes. It's a fragile web of human trust that we've stretched so thin it's finally snapping. When you realize that 30% of all cargo theft in Europe now involves this kind of identity fraud, you start to realize the system isn't broken. It was never built to handle 2026. So, where's the chocolate? Probably being sold at 40% off in black market kiosks or small corner shops across Eastern Europe. Nestlé is tracking the batch codes, but good luck scanning every bar in a roadside stall. The seed I planted earlier about your Amazon package, it's the same problem. We've prioritized cheap and fast over secure and verified. We want 1-hour delivery and 14-cent payouts, but we expect the security of a Swiss bank. It doesn't work that way. The Kit Kat heist is just a warning shot. Today is chocolate. Tomorrow is the medication you need or the tech your business relies on. The break Nestlé is having right now, it's a permanent one. The logistics world is officially a circus. I'm just here to show you the clowns. Hit the link in the description if you want to see how the same rot is killing the Port of Rotterdam. Cargo Intel. I'm out.